Hey guys, it's me Kuya Jeff, and for today, I'm gonna show you how easy to change the differential fluid on the Toyota Rav4. And so this Rav4 has been go through a lot of things like wire crossing, mud crossing, doing hard trails and so on and so forth. And I always change my differential fluid like 60,000 miles on it, so stay tuned and I'm gonna show you how easy to change the differential fluid. So pretty much this is the only tool you're gonna need. So I got like a 10mm Allen key, so both of them, the fill hole and the drill hole, it's gonna be 10mm. So you're gonna like go down. I don't need to jack because since my car is lifted, so I'm just gonna like crawl over there. So on the driver's side, this is gonna be the drain hole over here in the driver's side, and then for the fill hole, it's gonna be right here on the passenger side. This is the highest, it's a little bit more higher than this one. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna unbolt this to drain some fluid. So yeah, so once again, this is the drain hole on the driver's side, so I already like loose it. So okay, I'm just gonna leave this Allen key there, and be sure you got the bucket to get ready, so you won't like make a little bit messy. Okay, that's it. And just be careful not to flush in your eyes because this thing is hazardous. So okay, just be ready. Kinda missed it, but yeah, that's a 6,000 fluid there. But since plus I did a mud crossing and wire crossing recently, so yeah, just keep it drained, wait, then after that we're gonna close it, put the bolt back, and then we're gonna do the unbolt the fill hole. So it's gonna be right over here. So yeah, it's pretty easy to do this. I already changed this differential diff twice now, so especially this car is kind of like a 120 plus now, so that's 120,000 miles now. So yeah, just maintenance this car, just do a regular maintenance. Your diff's gonna be like run like new. So let me just get the, what do you call that, the socket or the wrench, and then this one's gonna be like 25 feet of torque pounds to tight this. So yeah, and then after this we're gonna do the fill hole. Is gonna be right over here again, and we're gonna fill it with so this is what I'm using, 75W90 full synthetic valvoline. So pretty much I went to the dealership in the Toyota, so pretty much they use a valvoline, so that's what I'm gonna use also. So pretty much close to OEM. So yeah, so I got this a little bit pump here, so while I'm pumping it, so I'm filling it with on the fill hole. So yeah, so next we're gonna do the fill hole. So let me just loosen it up. Oh, okay, there, it's loose now. So there you go, easy, very easy. Okay, so we just gonna start pumping it. So it's in the fill hole now, as you can see. So yeah, so we're gonna pump it until it starts dripping. It means that we have the right quality when you got the dripping part. So I'm gonna start pumping. Okay, it's dripping now, so it means that we have the right so it's dripping now, so we have the right quantity for the fluid on the differential. So I'm gonna remove this. It's a little bit messy, so it's okay. We're gonna wipe that out. Okay, then after that we're gonna put the fill hole bolt and tie it out to 25 pounds, and pretty much that's it. Alright, so that's it. And then just a little bit clean up. So pretty much it's easy to do this. Even you can do this. It take like 5 minutes or so to do this, to service the differential fluid change. And hope you guys like this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. And don't forget to subscribe to inspire me to do more. So I'll see you next time for another repair car like this. So peace out, guys.